You don't need to be a developer to build your own crypto trading bot. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to build an AI-powered crypto bot using free, no-code tools. And yes, it can trade based on market signals, indicators, or even Twitter sentiment. If you've ever wanted passive income on Autopilot, this is how you start. Welcome to the Crypto IQ, the channel where we turn complex tech into real crypto opportunities. Today, we're building your first AI crypto trading bot, no coding required. You'll learn what platforms you need and which are free, how to train your AI using real market inputs, how to set rules and test the bot safely, and how to launch it without writing a single line of code. Let's build. The tools you'll need, here's your no-code tech stack. 1. TradingView for chart signals and webhook alerts. 2. ChatGPT or OpenAI API to process market data or sentiment analysis. 3. Make.com or Zapier to link your logic together. 4. Wonder Trading, 3 commas or Binance bot. To execute trades, you'll connect signals, process logic with AI, trigger a trade, all without a developer. How the AI logic works. Your AI's job is to interpret signals, not just follow simple rules. Example, use TradingView to set a webhook when RSI 30. Then pass that signal to ChatGPT with the prompt, based on this data, should I buy or hold Bitcoin? You can also scrape ex-Twitter for trending coins using Zapier plugins, feed that into ChatGPT, and have the bot trade early hype. The magic is in combining human logic with GPT pattern recognition, risk controls, and smart setup. A good bot isn't reckless. Here's what to build in. Stop-loss logic. Set it in your trading platform. Max trade size rules. Limit risk per signal. Sentiment filters. Trade only when AI shows conviction. Backtest triggers. Simulate before going live and always use paper trading first. Let the AI learn your rhythm before risking real funds. Putting it all together. Example flow. Let's walk through an example. 1. RSI drops below 30 on BTC, TradingView alert. 2. Webhook sends data to Make.com, ChatGPT prompt. Is this a buy zone based on BTC historical RSI patterns? 4. GPT responds, yes, sentiment improving, recommend buy signal. 5. Make.com passes, buy BTC to 3 commas. 6. Bot places a small buy order. This takes under an hour to set up, and once it's live, it runs 24/7. Final verdict, is a no-code AI bot worth it? Here's the truth. You don't need to build the next GPT model, you just need to plug AI into a decision chain. No-code tools make it easy. ChatGPT adds context that basic bots miss. You control the risk, rules, and flow. Comment below, want us to build this bot live in a future video? Subscribe to the Crypto IQ. Next week, we show how to connect your bot to real-time altcoin sentiment using only 3 tools. We'll see you in the next one.